What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Buick Envision remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2016 to 2020 Buick Envision, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. And this is the slot right here that this key slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and put just the very end of it in that slot, maybe about that much, what's on the other side of my fingers. I'm going to stick the very end of that key in, and then I'm just going to pry up like this. And as I do that, it's going to pop this back cover up. So take my key, stick just the very end of it in, and then pry up with the key, and you can see it splits the case of the key fob apart. Go ahead and pull the back cover off, and then we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to use my end of the key to get under the edge of the battery right here and get it out of the battery holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder, and then we'll snap the two halves of the case back together. And you can line up that button on the bottom with that hole in the back. And then everything will be lined up. Snap it together. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.